Vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, bucket seats, pass-through rear seat, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2016 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, rear defrost. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.